In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable field from another table. If you want to display information from one Airtable table inside another, the key is to create a proper connection first, and then use that connection to pull in the exact field you need. This is a very useful setup when you want to keep your base organized without manually copying data from one place to another. Start by opening the table where you want the field to appear. This is your current working table, and it's the place where the final displayed value will show up. Before adding anything else, make sure you're in the correct table so you don't accidentally build the field in the wrong location. Next, create a linked record field that connects this table to the other table. This linked record field is what allows Airtable to understand the relationship between the two tables. Without it, Airtable has no reliable way to know which record in one table matches a record in the other. When you create this field, choose the table you want to connect to. After that, link the matching records between the two tables. This step is important because the lookup will only work if the records are properly connected. Take a moment to make sure each record is linked to the correct corresponding item in the other table. If the wrong records are linked, the wrong information will appear later in the lookup field. Once your records are linked, add a lookup field in your current table. The lookup field is what displays information from the related table. Think of it as a window into data that already exists somewhere else in your base. This helps you avoid duplicate entry and keeps your information easier to maintain. When setting up the lookup field, choose the linked record field as the source. This tells Airtable which relationship it should follow in order to find the information. If you have more than one linked record field in the table, be careful to select the correct one. Then pick the field from the other table that you want to show. This could be a status, a date, a category, or any other field that exists in the linked table. Choose the exact field you want displayed, since the lookup will reflect whatever is stored there. Finally, check the data and confirm that the field values appear correctly. Review a few records to make sure the lookup is returning the expected results. If something looks off, the most common issue is usually an incorrect record link. Once everything looks right, your Airtable field from another table is set up and ready to use.